There's ROCKSTEADY at King of the Pit TV.
There's ROCKSTEADY King of the Pit TV. We're listening to Weezer's 4th album. This is Love Explosion. Let's go. Come on.
Take a listen around you. All the people, the crowd around in your house. They've been wanting to kill you in your sleep.
Bro, that was Oasis right there. That was an Oasis lick. That was a Noel Gallagher lick. That was like a sped up. Is it? Don't Look Back in Anger. Did they ever lick like that? Diddle 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 diddle. One of the Oasis tunes. Come on. Give me a kiss, come on! Hey, guys kicking off with the guitar solos on this record. A kiss. You know what? Sometimes in some of the guitar licks with the fuzzy tone, I hear a bit of Dinosaur Jr. as well, people. Anybody like Dinosaur Jr.? Any Dinosaur Jr. fans out there? Spooky Mulder says, great album, hideous cover. I like the cover, lol. It's nostalgic for me. Don't know why though. I like it, but that's just me. It's not that bad, to be honest. You know what? I gotta rate you Weezer fans, because you're never too hard on each other. You're never too hard on each other. Somebody could have gone in on him for that, because the cover's not too bad. Decent tune, decent tune, decent tune. Would have worked well as an intro as well, the common people said. I agree with that. That was Love Explosion. Let's finish the record off December. Okay. Last month, last song.